Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to the Zero to Hero Trader YouTube channel, and welcome to our tutorial series on how to use the Thinkorswim platform. Before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe down below. Be sure that you get notified when I post another video. Now, this series is really for traders who are new to the Thinkorswim platform and want to learn how to use it to their advantage to make their trading easier. So let's jump right in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the style of the candles.
Zero to hero trader, learn to trade in no time. Watch our videos and be sure to subscribe.
Okay guys, so the default setting for candle style is just this right here. As far as the style goes, now the colors, I have changed the colors, and we've gone over that before in previous video. If you want to go see that video, I can put it right up here. All right. So if we want to change the style of the candle though, you're just going to go right up here to this little tab where it says style. Okay, and we're going to go right down here to where it says chart type, where it says candle. Okay, by default we're set to candle, and this is where you change it. Okay, so we can set it to bars, like this here, or we can set it to candle trend. Or a Heiken-Ashi, or just a simple line area where it shades under the line chart. Or what's called an equivolume. Okay. I'll change it back to candle. Okay guys, so that's how you change the style of the candles, okay, or the style of the chart to meet your needs. And I'm not going to go into how each is formed and what each one means and all that. We can get into that in another video. Just wanted to show you guys how to change the actual style of the candles. All right. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe and comment down below. What's your favorite candle type? All right, see you in the next one.